Why ClickHouse is crazy fast? Everyone wondering how companies analyze billion of rows in a second? Meet ClickHouse, the lightning fast open source columnar database built for real-time analytics. Second thing, unlike a traditional database that read rows, ClickHouse reads columns, means it only puts the data you need. That's why it's used by Uber, Cloudflare, and even Spotify to power dashboard and logs instantly. And third thing, it supports SQL works on cluster and integrate easily with Kafka, Airflow, and Python, preferably for any data engineering or analyst who wants speed without complexity. Fourth thing, if you're tired of waiting for slow queries, it's time to try ClickHouse. Type it once and your query flies. Follow for more quick data engineering tips. Thank you. Bye bye.